Prepare the communication cable, power cable, the earth cable and other tools might be needed. Connect the batteries in series using power cables. Connect the battery using a communication cable. Connect the total positive and negative of the batteries in series to the inverter. Connection to grid. Connect the load. Adjust DIP switch according to the table and instructions. Then you can turn on the battery. First turn on the slave and then turn on the host. Then you can set and view the battery status through the inverter, and set the working mode of the inverter. Finally, open the load and it can work normally.